Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to turn off dark mode. So we have these dark modes in AutoCAD, and if you want to turn off, you can type OP to open the option dialog box and then go to the display tabs. Now you can change for the color terms dark to light. Click apply, so to be changed to the light mode. If you want to change color from this drawing area, you can click in this color tab and then click uniform backgrounds in a 2D model space. Now you can change color in here. You can click select color. So I will select like into this color. Click OK and then apply to set the change. If you want to back to default, you can change for calendar here to the dark. And the next, change again for the color tab. You can use the restore all context. Click restore. And then you can click apply to close. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial how to turn off dark mode.